YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Juliana. I'm so glad you guys could make it. I'm extremely exhausted right now. It is 7:52 in the morning. It's Tuesday, April 19th. Yeah, and make sure to subscribe if you're new. If you aren't new, welcome back. And I'm gonna vlog today. I don't know why it took me so long to say that. He's over here doing his own thing. And I'm just checking the comments on my videos right now and just chilling. It's 7:53 in the morning. I'm trying to upload a lot more than I normally do, so that's good. I made some coffee. It's actually quite cold now, but I made it, so that's good. I usually go out and get it, so that's a bonus. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog today, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it.
Alright, you guys, so it's a lot brighter outside. I opened up my windows, and as you guys saw earlier, I cleaned a little bit and made my bed. I also got ready, so that's good. I did that off camera, but I'm wearing the super cute glasses that I showed you guys in my last video, which was my Zenni optical haul. So if you have not went and checked that video out yet, make sure to go check it out. I'll link it down below. It's such a great video. I gave my honest review on these glasses. I'm literally obsessed with these ones, and I'm definitely gonna wear these today. And I literally just spit, so sorry about that. But now I'm gonna make my to-do list and get to my work. It's already 9 a.m., literally exactly 9 a.m. So I'm right on the dot, on schedule. So let's get going. Hey guys, so I'm hopping on here. It's a little bit later. It is around noonish, and I've been gone out and about running some errands. I just got home and I got a few packages in the mail, so I wanted to share those with you guys. I also changed back to the clear brown line glasses just because these are like my favorite glasses, and I feel like they frame my face really well, so these are the ones that I'm wearing. So I got a shirt in the mail. This is our my sorority's Founders Day shirt. It's really cute. I really like it, and I'm in Tri Sigma. If you guys do not know, Sigma. I'm wearing the shirt, and I love this shirt. It's like that on the front. It's got like a pocket, and then this is the back. And my chapter is Zeta Gamma, so it's like celebrating like 30 years of our chapter being active. So I really like that shirt. I really like it, and I'm glad I bought one. And then I got another pair of Converse in the mail. I got the platform high tops. These are so cute. Just the white ones. I have pink ones on right now, but I really wanted the white ones, so I got these, and they're super cute. I'm just worried that they're gonna get dirty because, you know, white shoes get dirty so fast, but hey, you live and you learn. So I got that. Now I'm gonna fix my hair really quickly, and I gotta straighten it and everything because it looks a hot mess, and then I'll be starting on my homework finally. Sorry, I'm really tired. I know, like, I'm like extremely exhausted, so I'm gonna take a nap, and I'm taking about like a 30-minute to an hour-long nap, and then I'm gonna get up and do some stuff. So yeah. So I ended up sleeping for like 3 hours, not an hour, not 30 minutes, 3 hours. So God bless my soul. I was really tired after I took that nap, and I still had to get up and do stuff. So yay! And now that I'm home from my chapter meeting, you saw that. Later after this, I actually have to do homework now because I haven't done any today. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, so it's been a hot minute. Okay, it's currently 9:28 at night. He's over here stuffing his face. That's his usual go-to hobby. And I just got home from my chapter meeting with my sorority. I'm wearing these glasses again because they're really cute, and I'm trying to break them in because the lenses are kind of uncomfortable just because they're new glasses and they're a little strong, so I'm trying to get used to them. But I am having a great day, and I'm about to do some homework and then go to bed. So yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow or another day.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.